Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can enable data saver on Snapchat. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on Settings. Now, scroll until you can view Manage under the Additional Services. After that, toggle on the button beside Data Saver. Now, select how long you want to enable Data Saver for. And that's it. This is how you can enable Data Saver on your Snapchat account. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.